Yeah, so Volkswagen took the covers off their latest global electric vehicle, the Volkswagen ID.4. It's an SUV. Hopefully, someone can throw that up on the screen there. So yes, this will be a global car, right? They released the ID.3, little small hatchback, but that's just for Europe. This will be for sold all around the world. It will initially be made in Germany in the Zwickau factory. Eventually, they'll be producing them in Chattanooga, Tennessee, for the American market, and there'll be another factory in China for the local market as well. The thing about this EV is that it is an SUV, right? That's what Americans want. Americans want an SUV. Seats five, it's smack, like the specs put it smack in the middle of the compact SUV market. We're talking RAV4, CRV, Escape, Rogue, that market. In terms of size, it's within inches of any of those competitors that I've mentioned earlier. It's slightly shorter. It's about 4.6 almost inches shorter than Volkswagen's own Tiguan, the American version of the Tiguan. And its wheelbase is about an inch shorter, but because it's an EV, it doesn't have an engine. The cabin is larger, so it does have similar or slightly more space, interior space, than the Tiguan. The biggest news I'd say would be the price. The base ID.4 Pro is what they're going to call it. Will start at $39,995 US dollars before tax credit. So that will basically put it into the low 30s plus any local state incentives, and you'll push that below $30,000. So that is a very affordable vehicle in a body style that Americans want.
That's crazy.
Yeah, so that will be released early 2021. The one that's coming out at the end of this year will be the first edition, the launch edition, which is they're calling it the first ID.4 first. That will be $43,995 for that, and that throws in all the packages. So it